Hey guys, it's your girl Danita here. I'm gonna try something. I saw a lady on YouTube named Belinda J that showed how to make a chia seed pudding that you can use for breakfast. So I did try it and it is good. And let me show you what's in there. We have the chia seeds. The seeds, not the ground. We have the almond milk. I kind of cheated and used the vanilla flavor for a little bit of sweetness. Walnuts and blueberries. So what you would do is put about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of chia seeds in a container. Pour in probably about a half a cup of almond milk, and then you'll mix in some walnuts and some blueberries, and you'll put it in the refrigerator for overnight, or I did it overnight. I think it's probably better to do it overnight. And then let me show you what it looks like. I mixed it and then I poured it in a glass like this. So about that size. And yeah, so I know I like it. But it's good. I like rice pudding and I like tapioca pudding. So things that kind of have beads in your mouth. Some people don't like that, but I do. So yeah, this is really good. I really enjoyed it. Thanks, Belinda J.